The treatment has changed my life. In the last 2 years, I didn't even have a single issue of any kind. Hi, I'm Naveen. I had Duo-Lase treatment at Behrens Dental. 3 years ago, I noticed that my gums used to bleed randomly, and one of my tooth got loose. So this ended up me seeing the dentist, my local dentist in the high street. So as part of that, I was diagnosed with periodontal disease. And one of the issue with the periodontal disease is that, you will get a lot of flare-ups from one tooth to another tooth. So I was searching on the net and I came across Behrens Dental. Apparently this is the only clinic in London I found which offers Duo-Lase technique, which is a non-invasive treatment, which means that if you have a periodontal disease, which involves all of your 32 teeth, then you don't have to go for a gum flap surgery, right? And you can simply use the laser technique to handle all of your gums in a non-invasive manner. The procedure involves seeing the doctor. Doctor will send you for root planning and deep cleaning. Thereafter, based on your condition, you'll be recommended how many days of sessions you have to have. I personally had 10 days of sessions. The team is really, really good in here. There's nothing to worry about. Usually you wouldn't notice anything if anything is going on. You just need to the team makes you feel very comfortable. So my biggest recommendation will be don't wait. If you have periodontal disease, immediately go and do the Duo-Lase procedure. The procedure is so non-invasive. If you go and try to do it through the local dentist, it might help you, but it's very, very difficult to control. So it's better to go for this in the beginning. That way you will ensure that you do not lose your tooth. So I would like to say thank you to Dr. Lase for offering such a groundbreaking Duo-Lase treatment. Also big thank you to Dr. Andrea. She has been looking after me from the last 3 years. The whole team in Behrens Dental, especially all the hygienists, and then including Prash and Gillette as well. And a special mention of Prash as well. She was the first who took my call and convinced me to come here and do the treatment. It has been a really, really good and amazing experience. So thank you, everyone.